The dental board would like dentists to move away from using paper-based referrals and move over to an online system. We've decided to interface our software with an online facility which is called dentalreferrals.org. This is the one that was recommended by the NHS and which we now have a complete link to. So at any time, if we need to refer our patient to someone else, then we can go to the Referrals tab and select Add a Referral. This will immediately come up with a whole list of clinical forms or referral forms that we can use in our area. So for example, if I just select a National Urgent Referral form, this then allows us to connect images that we might have in our software for this patient. So if we say select an image from our Documents tab, so we may have taken an X-ray, so I'm going to attach that X-ray to our referral and tick any images that are radiographs. So let's just tick that and then we can save and close it. This has now created for us our online National Urgent Referral form, and this is now interfacing to the Dental Referrals website. And notice it's automatically passed all of the information that the system knows about this patient, their NHS number, their name, address details. It would also insert the GP and various other information that the software knows about our patient has all been sent automatically on the referral form, allowing us to just fill in the various other parts that we need to fill in for this particular patient. Once we've filled in our online referral form, we can see we've done one here earlier, and we can then track the current status of that online referral. I entered one a short time ago, so it's described as entered on the system. But if I want to check the referral status, I simply choose check referral status down the bottom here. And now I can see my referral form online. If I close that, again it will always update our current status to show us exactly where our referral is in the system.